The terminal is where the battery attaches to your drill. It is a plastic block with metal spades that engage with the contacts on the battery. If there is a short within the battery, or if the drill is badly overheated, the terminal can be damaged. Look for signs of melted plastic around the metal spades. In some cases, the spades themselves will be melted or discolored from excessive heat. Another issue involving the terminal is the wire connections between it and the switch. Make sure the connections are tight and there is no corrosion between the wire and the terminal. I'll begin by removing the battery. Now remove the rear cover. Now I'll split the two housings. Now I can pull the terminal block from the housing. There's 3 wires that attach to the terminal, and I'll remove those. Keep track of where each wire goes for reassembly. And I'll install the new terminal block. Black wire to the negative, red wire to the positive, and the yellow one in the center for charging. Then I'll slide the terminal block back into the housing and make sure the wires are out of the way. One last check of all the wires. Don't want anything to get pinched as the housings go together. And now I can replace the housing and secure it. And now I'll just reattach the rear cap.